And away from that, the rapid spread of the Omicron variant across the world has left governments scrambling to contain the cases. In lieu of this, U.S. President Joe Biden issued a warning and plea asking people to get vaccinated as soon as possible or risk contracting the virus. President Joe Biden warned that the country was looking at a winter of severe illness and death for the vaccinated, as 37 U.S. states reported Omicron cases.
Omicron is here. It's going to start to spread much more rapidly at the beginning of the year, and the only real protection is to get your shots. If you get one shot, if you haven't gotten it yet, that'll help. If you're at the point where you have everything, including your booster, you're in really good shape. So move now. Move now.
Over the past month, new cases have risen nationwide by nearly 40%. The 7-day average is 121,000 new infections per day. Deaths have also risen by 18% since mid-November, to an average of 1,300 lives being lost daily. And hospitalizations have risen to about 45% in the last month. Dr. Anthony Fauci, too, urged people to get vaccinated since he stressed that the Omicron variant was a highly transmissible virus.
That we can make a rather reasonable assumption about. The first, that we know for sure that it is highly, highly transmissible. It is the most transmissible virus of COVID that we had to deal with thus far. It has a doubling time of about 3 days, which means if you do the math on that, you see how quickly over a period of time that the dominant variant will be Omicron, as it is in South Africa, as it is now approaching that in the UK. And if things go in the United States the way they've gone in other countries, and there's no reason to believe that that won't be the case, it will soon become dominant here.
Apart from booster shots, states are also focusing on the basics in a bid to curb cases. New York City has said it will distribute 1 million masks and home testing kits to counter the spread of the virus. The state reported nearly 18,300 cases of the virus on Wednesday, the third highest total for any single day since COVID-19 tests became widely available to the public since last year.
We will be distributing for free 1 million KN95 masks immediately through the Test and Trace Corps, community-based organizations, community-based clinics. Fourth, and working with, again, our community-based organizations, we will be distributing rapid at-home tests. 500,000 rapid at-home tests will be distributed for free through community organizations directly to the grassroots.
Meanwhile, a U.S. government-appointed panel of medical experts unanimously recommended mRNA COVID vaccines made by Pfizer and Moderna over the Johnson & Johnson's COVID shot. The recommendation officially steers the public away from the Johnson & Johnson vaccine shot, which was initially praised because it could be stored at fridge temperature and was just one dose. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.